Check out what just landed at Red Ram. We got a 2002 Kenworth T800 wide hood. We'll get this on the ground and take a closer look. There's some great parts on this tandem Kenworth. We've got a decent looking flat glass cab. We've got a T800 wide hood. That's a rare one. There's no engine in this unit or transmission, but we do have some rear ends. Let's go check them out. Unfortunately, it looks like those frame rails are rust jacked, but there's some good cross members in there. We've got Eaton 46s, full lockers. I believe they're DD 463s. That tandem steer clip is in pretty good shape. It's on 425/65 rubber. That's in pretty good shape. Inside of the cab is okay given the year. All the upholstery is there. Most of the dash is there as well. If you see anything on this truck that you could use, give us a shout at 780-447-4946 and the parts counter will be happy to help you.